All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Should I Invest? And in today's episode, we're going to talk about INTC. We're going to put it through the Excel sheet. We're going to check out MARKETSMITH, and we're going to see if we find value in it. All right, so here we go. I have MARKETSMITH right here. You can see, again, great tool, gives us all the information. We have MARKETSMITH giving us all the market cap, shares, flow, everything right here. We have our ownership right here. We have EPS growth, we have PE ratio, everything is presented right here. All right, so let's dive right into the Excel sheet and see what we're working with. All right, so last time we did PLTR, now we're doing INTC. Perfect. Stock price $29.89, very well. The market cap, perfect. The shares float, awesome, that works as well. EPS, we got 3.24, so right off the bat, we got two green things we're looking at here. All right, so the PE, we got to double check here. PE is around 9.2. We have 10 here, so that works. I'm gonna put that as 10, and perfect. So first EPS and PE, we're looking really good here. All right, now we're gonna do return on equity. Okay, and what do we get? Return on equity. Get return on equity right here on MARKETSMITH right there. You can see we got 24%. All right, so we'll plug that in. Perfect, that's good. All right, we like that. Now we're gonna look at the total debt to asset ratio. And how do we do that? We're gonna plug in Yahoo Finance. We're gonna put in INTC, and we want to start looking at the financials. All right, so let's take a look here. We're looking for total debt. All right, so total debt. We're gonna come to the balance sheet here. We're going to come down to total debt. All right, so total liabilities right here. Perfect, total liabilities. We got 73 million. So we're going to put that right here. All right, now total assets. We're going to come up here. We have total assets, 168 million. We're going to plug that in. Perfect. We have another green total debt to asset ratio. It means our assets can cover our debts. Perfect. All right, now let's scroll over. Let's look at current debt and current asset. All right, so when we're looking at current debt, we have to look right here. Current liabilities, that's 27. All right, we're going to put that right there. And current assets, we're going to come up current assets right there. Perfect. Looks like we're going to get another green figure. Awesome. Now we want to look at operating income and total revenue. So how do we do that? We're going to come to the income statement. Okay, so total revenue of the trailing 12 months. There you go. We got that right there, 69.5 million. Sorry, that was total revenue. Perfect. And operating income. All right, so operating income is that. Perfect. So I mean, we want to see this closer to 15, 19, 17 in those areas. 12 is a little low, but nothing alarming. Okay, let's scroll over here and see cash flow. Okay, so we're going to look at cash flow here and take a look at what's going on with the cash flow. So we have 14.2 million, 16.9, 20.9, and then we're kind of decreasing here in the last few quarters. Okay, the last few years. Actually, 2021 and the last trailing 12 months, we're actually decreasing here. So, gonna put this down as decreasing because that's what's happening as of most recent. Although we increased prior, now we're decreasing, but recently we're decreasing. So we're writing that down here. Owned by management, and to do that, we're gonna scroll over here to the handy dandy MARKETSMITH tool. We can see ownership by management is 1%. So we're going to plug that right there. And now we got to see if the funds are increasing or decreasing. And we're looking at this box right here. All right, our funds increasing or decreasing. So December 2020, 3.4, 3,700, 3,750, 36, 37, 37, 39, 36.80. So a slight increase here and a little bit of a drop in September 2022. But I would say overall here we're increasing on fund ownership in the last year. All right, bam, there you go. We can see we got a nice pass on this. Now let's take a look at the chart on MarketSmith and see what we can kind of find here. So let's go to the monthly. I want to look back a little bit. And we can see here at around, this area right here at around 20 seems to be lots of volume area here. So I would probably mark an area here at around 20 bucks. And looking at the looking at the weekly, you can see we've kind of bounced up here at this support of around 25. Okay, so if we can get this back down to 25, I'd probably start somewhere around there with the opportunity to kind of cost average down another 4 or 5 times, possibly 6 times. If this gets back down to that $19-20 area, perfect. It'll be a nice average that you can kind of get yourself on this company. The fundamentals all look good here. There's really nothing wrong with it, with the exception of the cash flow kind of decreasing, but that's given the current economy that we're in. So again, Excel sheet's a pass. MarketSmith funds are still increasing. We have a good EPS. We have a good PE. Everything here lines up. So this one is a pass for me. All right, guys. So go ahead, comment down below what stock you want me to do next, and I'll be sure to catch it next week. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.